Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kashara here, and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, this video is going to be how I style my tapered TWA. The two products that I'm going to be using today is going to be this mousse. This is my favorite mousse, and I love the extreme line gel. You can use any gel you would like to use, whatever your favorite, whatever your hair likes, you can use it. Whatever mousse, if you do use mousse, this is my favorite one, but they have all kind of mousse out there that you can actually use. So first we're going to start off on freshly washed hair. Like, this is the best feeling, rubbing my fingers through my hair. Like when I just freaking take my do-rag head off, it's just like, it feels so freaking good. So next we're going to go in and moisturize with water. Water is key. The key to this whole style for me is water. You want to make sure your hair is super hydrated. So next, what I like to do is go in with that mousse. I love to saturate my hair with it. Use as much mousse as you want. I don't think you can not use enough mousse, okay? So just go in with as much as you feel like your hair needs to be able to achieve this style. But once you go in with your mousse, you should start seeing your curls pop. I like to just use my hands and just rub it all in. Make sure I get it on my edges. Make sure I get it on the back of my hair. The sides, my edges, and everywhere. I just love to just get it all over just to make sure it's evenly coated on all my strands. So I forgot to show you guys this comb. Now this comb that I'm showing you right here with this gel, oh my God, I love it. It is my favorite. It was the best $5 that I spent. I got it from Sally's. So if you guys have a Sally's near y'all, I'm pretty sure you can look it up online and order you one. But I love this freaking comb. It kind of puts you in the mind of the Denman brush. So just start off with just small sections and just rake that comb and just use your fingers as well. And just make sure that gel is evenly coated all over each strand. I love to dip my comb in my gel. I feel like that works better for me. I feel like it's less messy if I do it that way instead of just using it with my hand and then go over it with the comb. I just do it just at once and I literally dip my brush in my comb and then just apply to each section. I'm not going in a specific order. I'm just basically just going wherever I feel I need to go next. So you don't have to section your hair. You don't have to pin your hair off or anything like that. You can just pick any part of your hair that you want to start with. Me personally, sometimes my back dry quicker than my front and sometimes the front dry quicker than my back. It all depends on how I saturate my curls. But on this particular day, I did choose to go and start with defining my curls at the front because I wanted that to be dry. And then by the time I make it to the back, since my hair is short, it wouldn't take that long for that area to dry as well. As you can see, my curls are starting to pop. Just as you bring that comb through your strands, just flick your wrist. And when you flick your wrist, I promise you, you'll see those curls immediately start to pop. You can go in with certain sections that you feel need to just do that extra finger coil with. You can go as you go in each section and you rake the comb through. If you feel like more curls need to pop or you want to get your hair to pop a little bit more, you can always take some strands and just finger coil your hair. This is my go-to style. Seriously, y'all. With my hair being so short, it's just so easy for me to do this. And literally at night, all I do is put my do-rag on my hair or even just put a bonnet on in the morning time and then just spray water on it once I get up and just kind of play with my hair a little bit, and then my curls will pop again. I will go in as well with edge control and just slick down my edges. But this style usually lasts me maybe 3 to 4 days. It's so easy to deal with when you have short hair. I cannot count how many times I've did the big chop. Literally, y'all, this thing probably my 3rd time doing the big chop, and I probably will do it again. I'm not for sure yet. I get in my moods where I want to have a big chop and I love the short look, and then I'm oh, I want my hair long So I can get braids, I can get me sewing or wigs, all that jazz, okay? But then I'm like, I want to go make sure. So you never know with me. Like, if you know, you know. If you follow me for a while, I've literally had every hairstyle that you can name. Seriously. Seriously. If you don't believe me, go back and check my videos out. Yeah, I love short hair, especially short tapered hair. I just feel like it looks so sexy on women, and I feel like we don't get enough credit, or we get frowned upon when we cut off our hair. Like, it's a big thing, or it's a problem when a lady cuts off her hair. I feel like when you cut off your hair, like, it's like a new beginning. Like, it's a fresh start. You know what I mean? Y'all feel me? Okay, yeah, I might just be reaching a little bit. I don't know. But I'm going to continue to do the same method all over my hair. I'm just going to rake the gel through my hair. I'm going to use my fingers to finger core some areas that I feel like I need my hair to pop a little bit more. And just continue this whole process. Literally, it takes me maybe 20 minutes top to do this every single day. And like you saw, I only use two freaking products, guys. Now, when it comes to my edges, I just basically just dip my brush in my gel, or if I have like some excess gel on my hair or whatever, or that mousse that I feel like my hair is a little bit wet than normal, I'll go in just with just the product that I already applied to my hair and just swoop my edges. I don't like to go in with like different products because I feel like when I do that, it builds up and it makes like this white cast, or it doesn't dry the way that I need it to dry, or I can't swoop them the way I need them to swoop. And I feel like the wet line gel works best for my hair, and it'll allow my edges to basically stay all day long, guys. As you can see, your girl is feeling herself. I just love short hair on me. I promise you I love short hair. I hope this video worked for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.